Okay, boys and girls, so this is for N4, find the distance between 2 points. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make one of these radical symbols, okay? This is the square root symbol. And you want to then make a set of parentheses. And we're going to do, this is the distance formula over here on the right side of your screen. We're going to fill in this first part, x2 minus x1. So you look at the points that they gave you. All right, and so here's x1 right here, and this is x2 right here. So you're going to take x2, you're going to take 1, and you're going to subtract it by the other x, which is -8. And then you're just going to make sure you have a little square here, because we're not going to do this just yet. But now we're going to do the y side. So first we do the x's, and then we do the y's. So at this point in the problem, we're just getting set up. Okay? So you see I even put my little exponent of 2 there, just to replicate this. Now our second y is 10. So we're going to take 10, and we're going to subtract the -2, because that's your first y. And remember, when I say that, all I'm referring to is the y2 and the y1. But it's important to remember that the first number is always x, and the second number is y. Okay? When I say x1 or x2, all I really mean is like x1 is because it comes first, x2 is because it comes second. Now when I'm doing the subtraction down here, you can use your calculator. But I'm just going to speed through this quickly. So in my calculator, if I do 1 take away -8, I'm going to get 9. Okay? Now I'm going to make sure that I'm going to do 9 squared. And then over here, I'm going to do 10 minus -2, which is 12. I'm going to do 12 squared. And the reason why I'm keeping them in parentheses is because sometimes you're going to get negative numbers. And you want to keep them in parentheses because if you square a number that's negative in parentheses, it's always going to end up positive. So just remember, everything you do on this problem is going to end up positive because you're looking for a distance. Distance cannot be negative. Okay, distance is only positive. All right, so this is 81, and this is 144. Remember, I just squared those numbers. Now we're going to add them together. Okay, so we're going to do 144 plus 81. That's going to be 225. And if you remember from your square roots chart, which I'll also attach to the assignment, 225 is going to be 15. So the distance between those 2 points is 15 units. Okay. I'm going to do a part 2 to this video. Okay, because there's a lot going on here, and it doesn't take that long to do one problem. It just seems like that because I'm just explaining it. Okay. So then if you notice, it's still the same type of problem. They just are throwing in like some negative numbers and this and that. But yeah, because when you get up to this point, that's when they're going to get a little bit harder because they're going to want you to round. But our next video, I'm going to do somewhere I'm going to end up with some negative numbers and show you that they become positive. Okay?